Hey guys, welcome back to my art channel, Pokegemz. Guys, another easy step-by-step tutorial. Check out this cool optical illusion. I will tell you guys how to draw this. I'll give you the measurements. But what you need to do first, guys, is please hit that thumbs up, hit the subscribe button, and also, guys, turn on your notifications. That way you won't miss out on any future projects. Alright, let's go ahead and get started. This one's going to be simple. We're going to use a basic ruler, start out with a pencil, and a piece of white paper. Not graph paper, regular paper, guys. Make one line 5 inches long, and then mark the middle. So half of 5 inches, obviously 2.5 inches. From that 2.5 inch point, you're going to go down 4 inches. Again, mark the middle point, which will be 2 inches. Super easy. What you'll do then is we're going to create a triangle. So we're going to go ahead and mark these lines, join them together from one end to the other, creating a nice, simple triangle. Nice and easy, guys. Very, very easy. All right, on that point, on those ends, our triangle is about 5 inches long. So you're going to mark that at the half also, so 2.5 inches. Again, on the other side, the angled line, 5 inches long, you'll mark it at the middle. Again, 2.5 inches. Super, super easy, guys. From that point, we're going to connect the bottom to that middle point. So right there. So from the bottom to the 2.5 inches. Again, from there all the way to the bottom. Kind of creating two other triangles on the sides there. Next, what we'll do is draw one line across the middle. Nice straight line connecting those two. Just like so. Nice and easy. Alright, the next thing we will do, guys, is from the bottom, you're going to mark a point at 1.5 inches. So 1.5 inches from the bottom, and then you'll connect the middle lines to that new point. So again, those middle lines to that point, which is 1.5 inches. And in a second, guys, I'll give you all the measurements. So that's basically it. Now what you'll do is take that line right there I'm pointing to and erase that one. And then erase also that same line that goes all the way to the tip of your triangle. Guys, here are the measurements right here. Like I said, super easy. 5 inches across, mark the middle, which is 2.5 inches. The angled lines on the sides, mark the middle, come out to 2.25 inches. And then that middle line, 1.5 inches. Super, super easy measurements, guys. So go ahead and pause it at that moment. Like you guys know what I always do, I always start out with pencil because sometimes there are lines to erase. Now that I have the lines that I know that I don't need to erase, that I want to keep, I'm going to go over those using a nice dark Sharpie. So nice black Sharpie. Go over all the lines that we know that we're keeping. So all of these here, guys, this project is super, super simple. Alright, the next thing we're going to do, because we obviously want to make this look 3D, want to give it that optical illusion geometric effect, is certain points, certain parts we're going to color completely black. This is the first part, guys, right here. Color this black. I'm using a marker, guys. If you like these markers, which by the way are awesome, look in the comments, guys. I show you in the comments exactly where you can get these markers at the best prices, so check those out. You can use crayon here too, guys. Use colored pencil. Use a different color marker. I chose gray and black because it seems to show up the best. So go ahead and do that. So these two here are going to be painted completely or colored in black. And then this middle one black. Guys, by the way, check out this other awesome drawing that just showed up right here in the corner of the screen. When you finish, come back and check out this other one, guys. I do a lot of awesome 3D geometric designs. Alright, once you're done coloring those, the ones that are left over, the last three, I'm going to use my charcoal pencil. You can use regular pencil, you can use a gray marker. I chose charcoal pencil because it seems to make the shadow, the shading really, really nice. So what you do is you go over it with the charcoal pencil, and then what you could do is just take like a piece of cloth, even use your fingers, use a cotton swab, and what you'll do is see, you'll smudge that, and that'll give it that nice gray effect, kind of that shadowing effect. Take your time doing this. The other reason, guys, I really like the charcoal pencils, you really don't have to worry too much if you go outside the lines because this thing does erase quite easily. So yeah, see, there you go. Take your eraser, go up and down the lines and see how that erases really nicely. So go ahead and erase those. If you need to touch it up a little bit, go ahead, guys. Super, super simple. And that's almost pretty much it. Look at that. Is your basic figure Now look at the pencil going across it. Doesn't that look like it's literally coming off the paper? Depending on which way you look at it, it gives it that awesome 3D optical illusion effect. You can turn the triangle the other way and it'll look cool too, guys. Check this out. Some awesome, simple materials, a couple of markers, a couple of pencils, a permanent marker, a ruler, and you too, guys, can recreate this awesome drawing. Guys, by the way, if you did enjoy this drawing, please don't forget to subscribe to my channel. I post every single day on TikTok, Instagram, and Facebook. Guys, please check me out there. We do tutorials here. If you're interested in checking out my website, www.pokegemz.com. And guys, if you haven't done so, please hit subscribe. Super easy. Hit that large circle in the upper right hand corner. That way you'll be subscribed, and I will definitely see you on the next one.